So hello everyone, hello traders, welcome to today's Simple Forex Setup Show, where I'm going to go through 10 currency pairs on the 4-hour time frame. So let me get my screen sharing. All right, so let's have a look. The first currency pair I'm going to look at is GBPJPY. I have actually entered that trade yesterday. So if you are part of my Simple Forex Setup Telegram group, you would have seen that trade set up there. If you're not, then join the show and let me know. I'll send you a link. Anyhow, this is the chart. So on the weekly, it's been going up, but it is now at that resistance level where potentially I'm looking for a turnaround in the direction. On the daily, it's been going down for a little bit. So in terms of the entry for H4, I entered after this consolidation period, after the engulfing bar. Those are the levels there. If you have entered, then we would have already hit the first profit target and just holding on in that trade. The next currency pair I'm going to have a look at is GBPUSD. So GBPUSD has been going up for quite some time, hit that resistance, and now it's looking at reversing. So in terms of the direction, I'm now looking for a short. Daily has been going down for a little while. So on the 4-hourly, I'm always looking for a pullback, which we had, and yesterday entered that trade after the bearish engulfing there. So the entry stop loss level there. That trade also hit the first profit target already. So just holding on in that trade now. The next currency pair I'm going to have a look at is USDJPY. So USDJPY has been going up. We've had already good trades on the long there. So now there is that sort of point of decision. Is it going to turn around and go back up and carry on with the channel, or is it going to break out? So as long as it's not broken out, I'm still looking for a long around this area if there is a really good reversal. If it continues to keep going down, then we wait for retest before taking a short position. So at the moment, I'm still looking for a long unless I see the breakout on this 4-hour time frame. The next currency pair I'm going to have a look at is USDCAD. So USDCAD has been going down for quite some time. I've been taking shorts on there recently during this consolidation and the change. I was still going short, but after last week, I am now long for that currency pair. So in terms of D1 now, looking at long on the 4-hourly, there was an opportunity to enter yesterday as well. Now we will just let that trade play out and see if there is a pullback. So I'm still looking for a long if there is a pullback to my entry area. Next currency pair I'm going to have a look at is EURUSD. So EURUSD, I'm looking at a turnaround at this resistance level, so looking for short now. So on the weekly, we now have a little bit of a trend going downwards. On the daily, also has been going down. So in terms of the 4-hourly setup, I'm looking for a short, but after a pullback, either to the horizontal line, to the previous peaks there, or to the trend line. As now, I feel it is already in play. So looking for the next opportunity there. So looking for a short at this point. The next currency pair I'm going to have a look at is EURJPY. So with EURJPY, again, level of resistance. So looking at a short going forward. So on the daily, trend line's going down. Therefore, for the 4-hourly entry, I'm looking for a setup near the trend line there. So at the moment, it's already playing out. So looking for a pullback. And if there is a pullback anywhere in this area, then looking for a short opportunity after that, if there is a reversal in the candlestick patterns. The next currency pair I'm going to have a look at is AUDUSD. AUDUSD, I am looking for a short at the moment. So on the weekly, we've already started to head down. Daily also has been going down for a little bit. So on the 4-hourly time frame, I'm looking for any price action that is close to the trend line. At the moment, it could just be going sideways. So really, I need something that's reasonably high up for the entry, just in case it does range for a little while. But looking for shorts on the Aussie US. The next currency pair I'm looking at is Euro AUD. Okay, so with this pair, it is slightly going up, but very slowly. It seems to be ranging in that area at the moment. So I have not found any good opportunities. So at the moment, I'm really looking for either going off the bottom of the 1.565, if there is a proper reversal there. Otherwise, possibly just waiting until it breaks out of that range. I am long overall on this pair. The next currency pair I'm going to have a look at is EURGBP. So EURGBP is also in this range. I'm looking for a long off the bottom of the 0.85. So that opportunity just hasn't happened yet. We're really getting that price squeezed down here. So looking for any reversal around the bottom of the range in the upward direction. So still looking for long on this currency pair. And the last currency pair I'm looking at is GBPCAD. With GBPCAD, I have been looking for short as a ranging market between those 2 points. At the moment, it does not look like it really wants to go short. But in terms of the setup, we don't have a breakout from that channel. So I am cautiously still looking for a short at this point, unless there is a breakout and a retest. So on this one, still looking on the 4-hourly for a short on a really strong price action. So that is all the analysis for today. If you have any questions, please feel free to pop them into the chat. I will check the chat. Otherwise, I will be doing another live Simple Forex setup show at 1 p.m. Singapore time today. So I look forward to seeing you then. Thank you. Bye.